Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to continue with our topic bases from the chapter acid, bases and salt. So first we start with the introduction. What are bases? Bases are the oxides or the hydroxides of the metal or metal like radicals. For example, ammonium cation. Ammonium cation is NH4 positive and we are calling it as a metal like radical. The reason is that कि ammonium cation itself is very unstable species. It is going to be dissociate into ammonia with the liberation of the H positive. Or the second definition of a base is a compound which can accept a proton, that is H positive, and this H positive is given by an acid. Okay, so we have to define like that. Base is a compound which accepts a proton H positive given by an acid. And the next definition of base is it is a compound which combines with the H positive ion of an acid to form salt and water. तो बेस के अंदर ये प्रॉपर्टी देखने को मिलती है कि वो जो H पॉजिटिव आयन लिबरेट करता है एसिड उसके साथ कंबाइन कर जाते हैं और सॉल्ट और वाटर को फॉर्म करते हैं. Now we talk about the characteristics of bases. Bases always have the bitter taste. They are having very soapy touch and they turns red litmus to the blue color. Okay. Next is the classification of the bases. We are going to classify the bases on the basis of their strength. So first, what are strong bases? Strong bases are those bases which are going to be completely ionized or dissociate in their solutions. They are going to be completely dissociated into their solution. Strong bases are also called as the alkalis. We call them alkalis. For example, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. Next are weak bases. Weak bases are those bases which are partially ionized in their aqueous solution. मतलब कि वो completely ionized नहीं हो पाएंगे, completely dissociate नहीं हो पाएंगे. Dissociation means breakdown. For example, ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Then the next classification of the bases are on their basis of the acidity. Means we are going to classify the base on their acidic property. Acidity of a base is what? बेस की हम बात कर रहे हैं कि बेस की एसिडिटी क्या होती है. Acidity of the base is defined as that number of OH negative ions which are furnished by one molecule of the base in their aqueous solution. Means the OH negative ions which are liberated by the base in its aqueous solution. So now we are going to talk about the acidity of a base. First are monoacid bases. Monoacid bases are those bases which on ionization produces only one OH negative ion. Means when we ionize them ना, तो जब इनका ब्रेकडाउन होगा तो ये आपको सिर्फ एक ही हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन लिबरेट करके देंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल NaOH, NH4OH. NaOH is sodium hydroxide and NH4OH is ammonium hydroxide. Second is diacid bases. Diacid bases are those bases which are on ionization produces two OH negative ions. For example, calcium hydroxide, copper hydroxide. They are going to liberate two OH negative ion or the hydroxyl ion. Similarly, if we talk about the triacid bases are those bases which are going to produce the three hydroxyl ion on their ionization. For example, aluminium hydroxide, it is going to give you aluminium ion, that is Al3 positive, along with the 3 hydroxide ion, that is 3 OH negative ions. I hope कि आपको बेस का कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो गया हो. फिर भी अगर कोई डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क मी.